Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great Monday and I hope you all had a great weekend. Well, welcome to my Hairpin Ladies Monday, and today we're going to be working on the Blue Lady's dress. I know this is a terrible picture. I'm holding it as still as I possibly can so it will focus. And the color today is 813. It's kind of a muted blue, if you will. And we're working on her dress. I thought, why not? I got a little bit of it done right in here. So I thought, why not? We got all this thread, so let's just do this. So what's everybody up to? I'm going to move them scissors so I don't get them in my face. Oh my goodness, it's Monday again. Here we go. But I expect it to be quiet and slow. Get some light on the subject. Holy cow. Yesterday, well, kind of went kind of fast, I think. Watched some YouTube, some Netflix, just kind of kicked back, relaxed. I stitched on the bunny in the library. Stitched on this a little bit. Just not really doing too much. It was kind of cold all day yesterday. I don't think it hit 35-ish degrees. So, yeah. That was awesome. And in the late afternoon, I'd say after 3-ish, it snowed a bit. And snowed some overnight. No big deal. But I was nice and warm and toasty last night, so no complaints at all. I did sit in my rocking chair for a little bit and stitched on this. If I could just find the place where it needs to be here. Oh, goodness. You get more than two sides closed in, it gets a little iffy sometimes. But we got it. Nothing hard about this, just plain stitching. But there was a lot of it to do. I pulled 4 full strands, I believe, yesterday, so I put a few in. Then I had some left over, so I thought, we might as well just keep going. Hopefully some of the snow and the yuck will be gone by the time I get ready to go to work I leave here about 5 after 2. Between 5 and 10 after 2. Because I only have to go around the block. So, not a biggie. I kind of want to leave this one area right here open. I'll stitch everything else until I get down closer to all that, because it does have the number for the thread, so I don't have to go look it up in a book and, fight what I'm looking for. Sometimes that can happen. I just don't want to have to look it up, so I tend to leave areas that have a number in there and then stitch all of that until I get that's like the last of it, and that way I know all the way through what that symbol is for. So, and it works pretty good, especially on this one. The Watertown Memory, it's got a lot of stops and starts and different colors to it. So, but that works just perfect for this. And sometimes if I'm tired of stitching and I got like one more strand of 3 to do, I will take that thread and start it in the area where it's supposed to be and just leave it for the next time or later or whatever. And that has worked out as well, so that's why you see so many strands just here, there, and everywhere. That's the reason why mostly I did that on Watertown Memory, just because it was like way over here, you know, and I was stitching in this area, let's say, so I just started it way over there because there was nothing else of that symbol right here. So, but it tends to help you make progress, I guess. I don't do that on the small kits, just mainly these big ones. Because I was getting real tired working on green leaves and working on this one. But on Watertown, I was getting tired of working on that 3371, which is that dark brown that outlines everything. Yeah, after a while, I just couldn't take it anymore, so I had to go and start it way over there somewhere and do something else. Oh God, if I could just get my hand in there. I got this thing folded up. Hold, please. Get that out of there. Come on. Put that needle away. Alright. Now we got to straighten it all up again. Got my little lady today. There she is. I'll get my big fat hand out of the way. Alright. And after a while, when you've been stitching on this, it's kind of hard to figure out which direction the material is up. I know that sounds ridiculous, but it just seems like you're stitching sideways. It's kind of a, I want to say, an optical illusion. That might not be the context, but you know what I mean. It just feels weird. Especially if it's going sideways, sometimes I have a hard time seeing what I'm doing. So, that's why I keep most of this bunched up, so I'm not looking at it. I'm just focusing on where I stitch. And I did have a viewer send a picture. Well, I just want to do that. And I will put that right in here. Thank you, Sharon. It is gorgeous. She finished the Tea Goddess. Yay! Thank you for sending that, Sharon. It is lovely. She said she was making it for a gift for her sister, and she was going to take it off to the framer, but she wanted to take a picture of it first so that she could send it so we could all see that it was done. Good job. If anybody else has any pictures they'd like to share of projects that you're working on or projects that you've finished, does not have to be just cross stitch. It can be whatever craft you're into as well. Just send it to my email address, which is in the description box below. And I did get a picture from another viewer, but I was unable to bring it up because it was in a zip file. I'm not sure what happened, but if you could resend those smaller, it would be great. And I will get them into the next stitch with me as soon as I possibly can. And all that green, there's a green with a dot, but there's also a solid green line. All of that is going to be 310 black. Kind of like down here, I just stopped doing the black and worked on the blue part. So yeah. Oh, I hope he's not busy. I just really don't think I can take it today. I feel like I'm worn out, but for what reason, I'm not real sure. I did take a 2-hour nap yesterday, so, you know. And went to bed at a normal time of night, so didn't have any problems sleeping. So we'll just have to see, but I kind of expect most people had to go back to work on Monday. You don't get many people, you know, vacationing, every once in a while, but nothing too dramatic, you know, like summer and all that. And the ski season hasn't started here, not here, but near here yet, because they haven't gotten a whole bunch of snow. So, and they don't make snow. I know that sounds weird, making snow. But some of the little resorts make their own snow. So, yeah. That's sometimes closer to Christmas. You know, they open some of the resorts there that don't make snow. Of course, you know, they'll open earlier if they get a whole bunch of snow earlier than Christmas, so we'll see. But usually that in itself picks up more so on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or surrounding a holiday. Like near Christmas, sometimes people take a whole week, you know, that week of Christmas. So that's when it gets a little busier, but nothing too carried away. Because we're probably in both directions. If you were going to go to a place, it's probably an hour and a half towards Leadville and an hour and a half from where we're at to go to Monarch is the closest. So, yep, we don't have to worry about all that stuff here in town. We're the hiking and river rafting bunch. So, all right. Well, we got almost all that section done. Isn't that pretty? There's that one I told you, the symbol that is green with a dot, white dot, we'll call it white dot in the middle. It's like a lighter blue, but you really, it's right in there. You can't see it. It doesn't show up all that much. It just kind of gives it a different texture looking to it. So mainly it's got that dark blue, the blue I was using, and then that pale light blue. And then the outline is all 310 black. So fun times, huh? But it's, as you can see, it's very easy to stitch on. Just put your mind to it, pull a couple threads, and just go for broke. Alright guys, thanks for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.